So the next phase would be, unfortunately, responding to the incident itself. And again, we have kind of some distinct roles where OSCR can help out with. For the responding officers, there's not a whole lot of time to really review images on the way there, but in the event that you're in a two-person car, one person can drive and the other person can maybe pull up some images, especially if they know a particular room or particular location in the building. It's not always practical to do that while you're driving, I understand that. That's kind of the pre-planning part. But this is where OSCR can help command staff in a command post or even back at the police station. And these events occur within minutes. Dispatch information is evolving while units are responding. It's not a fixed incident like a crime scene that's occurred and then you have all the time in the world to plan to go there. It's dynamic and evolving as you're responding. So a command officer, an incident commander, could pull up imagery immediately at his desktop computer and deploy resources over the radio as they're responding. And even give them not necessarily real-time direction, but can provide maybe sort of a voice in the ear tour of the building as responders are going through.